the U.S. initiated Operation Enduring Freedom. This campaign aimed to dismantle al-Qaeda's strongholds in Taliban-controlled Afghanistan and force the terror group into perpetual retreat. The campaign was spearheaded by strikes from B-2 bombers flying directly from their home base at Whiteman AFB, Missouri.
The B-2's weapon of choice was the JDAM, an extremely precise satellite-guided Joint Direct Attack Munition. This bird of prey was the only acknowledged in-service aircraft capable of carrying large air-to-surface standoff weapons in a stealth configuration. Building each B-2 was no small feat, with each one costing an average of $737 million. When you factored in total procurement costs, including production, spare parts, equipment, retrofitting, and software support, the price tag averaged $929 million per plane.
The B-2 could perform attack missions at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, with an unrefueled range of more than 6,000 nautical miles. With one mid-air refueling, it could cover over 10,000 nautical miles. Entering service in 1997, the B-2 Sprit was the second aircraft to incorporate advanced stealth technology, following in the footsteps of the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk introduced in October 1983. Although initially designed as a nuclear bomber, the B-2 made its combat debut in 1999 during the Kosovo War, where it dropped conventional, non-nuclear ordnance. Since then, it has seen action in Iraq, Afghanistan, Libya, and Yemen.